This guide will walk you through the step to configure your Jira integration.
On Jira, create an API token. Give it a name.
Copy the API token to add to your Jira integration config.
Switch to Ostorlab.
Click on the sidebar button.
Select Library.
Select Integrations.
Click on Jira Integration. Select Configuration option.
Enable the configuration. Set the username. Set the API key that we created earlier. Enter your Jira workspace URL.
You will be able to see the list of your Jira projects. Select the desired one. Enable the creation of issues in Jira to automatically create Jira issues from Ostorlab tickets.
Click Test to test your configuration. If your configuration is correct, you should observe a green checkmark at each step. Click on Save to save the configuration.
Click on Yes if you want to migrate the existing tickets to Jira.
In this guide, we covered the steps to configure Jira and sync your tickets automatically.